Made a whopper of a mistake and need to cancel your Burger King app order? Don't panic. I'm here to show you how. First things first, fire up that Burger King app and tap on the profile icon, usually located at the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. This is where you'll find all your account info and order history. Now locate and tap on order history. This will bring up a list of all your past and pending Burger King orders. Find the order you want to cancel from the list. Tap on that particular order to view its details. Be quick. Remember, you usually only have a short window to cancel. Look closely at the order details. If your order is still eligible for cancellation, you should see a button that says cancel order or something similar. Keep in mind, if the order is already being prepared or the cancellation window has passed based on restaurant policy, this button might not be visible. In that case, you'll unfortunately have to contact the restaurant directly. If you do see the cancel order option, tap on it. A confirmation pop-up will most likely appear, asking if you're sure you want to cancel. Confirm your cancellation by tapping yes, cancel order, or whatever similar confirmation button is presented. You should then receive a confirmation message saying your order has been successfully canceled. The app will now usually return you to your order history screen where you will see the order is marked as canceled. Easy peasy. Now double check your order wasn't charged and you are all done.